Fifth standard students, your mathematics class exercise 3.4. Second main we have to do find the LCM by division method. In first main we have found LCM by factorization method. But in second main we have to find the LCM by division method. As you did for finding the HCF division method, same thing we have to do here also. So A question is 52 and 128. These are the two numbers given. You have to find the LCM of these two numbers. Solution. Write the given thing again. Factorization. This is how to divide. See 52, 128. These are the two numbers given. You have to write like this and put a line like this. These two numbers can be divided by 2. So take 2. 2 2s are 4. From 5, 4 is gone. So 1 carry here. 1 and 2 means 12. 2 6 are 12. Put comma. Go for another number. 128. Divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. 8 is there. 2 4s are 8. Next. Again what you have to do? Put line like this. Again you have to divide 26 and 64. 2. Understood? 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. So 2 13s are 26. That is what? Next. One digit you see. Divide 64 divided by 2 now. 2 3s are 6. First digit. Next 2 2s are 4. Second digit. It means 2 32s are 64. Next again what you have to do? Draw a line like, put line like this. Again 13 and 32 are there. 13 you will not get in any table. Only in 13 tables you will get 13. You will not get in 2, 3, 4, 5 any. Nowhere you will get 13. Only in 13 tables you will get 13. So let it be, you can take 13, 1s are 13. But this 32 will not come in 13 tables. Write as it is. So this is 1 for this side it is over. Now 32 must be divided from 2. This 1 as it is. 2 1s are 2. 1 carry. 2 6 are 12. Again 1 as it is. 2 8s are 16. Again divide. 2 from 2. 1 as it is. 2 4s are 8. Why I am taking only 2? Because these numbers can be divided by 2 only. Next 4 is there. You will get in 2 tables. This 1 as it is you should write. Only 4 now. 2 2s are 4. Again draw a line like this. Last number is 1. This 1 will be as it is. This 2 can be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. So until you will get 1 1 here, you should go on dividing. So this is called division method. And now you can write the LCM. LCM is equal to, you should multiply all these digits. 2 into 2 into 13 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You should write all these digits. 2 into 2 into 13. So 2 into 2 into 13. And how many 2 are there next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see here 2 into 2 into 13 into 2, 2, 2, 2, all multiply. How much you will get? 2 2s are 4. 4 13s are 52. 52. You can see here. See 2 2s are 4. 4 13s are 52. This 52 into 2 2s are 4, 4 13s are 52. This 52 into next these 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So for 52 into 32 you have to multiply and check. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Gap here. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Add 6, 6. You will get 1664. How much you got? 1664. That you should, I am writing with pen. So after multiplying all these numbers, you will get 1664. Write here 1664. This is the LCM. So what is the LCM of 52 and 128? It is 1664. This is how you have to find the LCM by division method. Understood? Second one we'll see. See, next I am taking a B question, 45 and 120. How you solve this? Same way. 45, comma 120. These are the two numbers given. Put line like this. This 45 and 120, this both can be divided by 3 only, because in two tables you will not get 45. So take 3. 3 15s are 45, comma 3 4s are 12, 3 zeros are 0. Next, again 15 and 40 cannot be divided in same tables. So any one you take, 15 you take, 3 5s are 15. This 40 will not come in 3 tables. Write it as it is. Next, this 5 and 40 will come in 5 tables. 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. So go on dividing like this. Now 1 and 8. 1 as it is you should write. If 1 is there, 1 as it is you should write. Next, 2 tables. 2 4s are 8. Next again 1 as it is, comma. Now you take 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. Last is 1 as it is. 2 is there. So 2 tables. 2 1s are 2. So 1 1. Until you get 1 1 here, you should go on dividing. Now LCM. I will write here. LCM is equal to, you should multiply all these digits until here. Here 1 1 is there. Up to here. Go multiply. 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many 3 are there? 2. 3 into 3 into 5. And how many 2 are there? 1, 2, 3. See here, 3 2 are there. 1, 2, 3. Multiply this. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180, 180 2s are 360. This is the LCM. You can write therefore LCM is equal to 360. So this is how you have to find the LCM of any number by division method. This is called division method. Understood? See this one. 10 C question. 10, 15 and 30. So write the solution. 10, 15 and 30. These three numbers given. 10 and 30 will come in 2 tables, 15 tables, whatever. Smallest number you take. 2 5s are 10. This comma. 15 will not come in 2 tables. So 15 as it is you write. Comma 30. Next number is 30. 30 divided by 2. 2 15s are 30. See these 5 comma 15 comma 15. These three numbers will come in 5 tables. So 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Put like this. 3. 1 I told as it is. When 1 is there, you should write as it is. And next to 3 comma 3 is there. These two come in 3 tables. So put 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are. So now you got everywhere 1 1 1. Now how to write LCM? LCM is equal to, multiply these digits, 2 into 5 into 3. These numbers you have to multiply. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Therefore, LCM is equal to 30. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So this method is called a division method. Understood? So understand this solution and write neatly in your maths CW. Remaining problems will continue in the next class.